Hey everybody, we're back. Luxinda Swirl here. This isn't a new project exactly. I made a tumbler a little while ago using some Marabu metallic alcohol inks that I'd received, and it turned out really nicely. Put it up on my Etsy shop. That was a 20-ounce tumbler that I did in the last video. I'll link to that below if you don't know what I'm talking about. And the customer, of course, wants a 30-ounce because, of course. So I'm going to try to recreate as closely as possible, but I'm going to try to get something similar to what I did last time on a 30-ounce tumbler. And I thought I'd bring you along for the ride so that if I fail horribly, you can get a big kick out of it. Because, yeah, I may even succeed. So I'm using, once again, metallic blue, metallic green, and metallic violet. Plus, I'm going to use my Pinata Brass alcohol ink that I have diluted with an extra 50% worth of alcohol. So I'm just gonna get going. Oh, and yeah, then I will try and control myself with the heat gun because that's where I always fail or succeed. It's this. Okay, I'm gonna start by shaking up my brass, so to speak. Got the tops off of everything. I'm going to start with flooding with alcohol. This is just, like I said, 91% clear alcohol from Walmart. Get the entire tumbler good and soaked with it. Okay. Yeah, and then we drop on the violet. And then we drop on some blue. And then we drop on some green. And finally, brass accents. And then we try this. All right. I wouldn't say it's an exact replica of last time, and I knew it wouldn't be, but yeah, I'm actually not unhappy with that at all. This gets the same WTFing my way through life decal as I put on the last one, and the customer also wants her name on the other side, so that will that will allow me to cover up a couple of places I'm not thrilled about. I won't bore you with all of that. Because you've seen me do that part before. And yeah, I'm digging this technique. I am. I have a whole bunch of new Marabu alcohol inks and a whole bunch of other brand alcohol inks that just came in, different video. But you're going to be seeing me do this again with some new colors and new inks, just to see how it goes. Thanks for joining me. Stay safe, everyone. I'll see you in the next video.